take the red pill, you stay in Wonderland, and I show you how deep the rabbit hole goes.
Yo, what up, guys? So I'm currently in this live trade right now just to kind of show you guys that this does indeed work. We'll see if we get a dubskis. I got this marked out. I'm currently sitting on the 1 minute chart. I entered here, entered late. As you can see, I was supposed to be entering up here. We did create some nice displacement to the downside. This is looking at the 1 minute. But if we go to the 5, like I was showing you guys in the other video, we have this block here, last bullish candle, nice displacement to the downside, right? Creating that order block, price retraced back in. I would have got in right here. Look at this. This damn near wicked it all the way out. Almost took us out right there, but it didn't. So that would have been close. Would have been nice to at least get in on the equilibrium up here, but I literally just walked in the door, got back from work, saw this trade playing out, and I just jumped in as soon as I could, which, you know, I don't always recommend to do something like that, because, you know, if it loses, then it could be pretty bad. That's why I'm looking at the 1 minute, just to kind of see what price is doing. We did have this bullish fair value gap over here that we just disrespected, broke through. So we're going to see if this trade will hold. And I'm going to end up placing my stops. Well, we'll see. I'm going to place my stops probably right up above this fair value gap up here within this area. Because if it starts to disrespect this, then chances are it's just going to come up here and then just the whole trade's going to fail anyways. So we'll see how this plays out. So yeah, guys, there you have it. As you can see, the trade did indeed play out. I wish that I could have had a better entry. Got home from work, walked in the door, seeing that the trade was already playing out. I did jump in late. I don't recommend that people are doing that. As you saw how high price got, it definitely could have been a lot better entry. But ultimately, it did end up playing out. If you guys noticed, I did not place a stop loss because I was actively watching it. If you're going to sit right in front of the charts and watch the trade, then placing a stop loss isn't absolutely necessary. But if you're going to step away from the computer, definitely be placing your stop loss, because if it runs through, you could be in a detrimental loss. I might make more videos like this and post them to the YouTube channel, or maybe I'll just keep them in the Discord. I do live trading in the Discord whenever I have the time, which is something that I want to point out from the previous video that I had posted. When it comes to these YouTube guys, if your mentor is not doing any kind of live trading, red flag. I've taken L's on the live streams, and I've also gotten dubs in the live streams. Point is, your mentor or who you're learning from should be doing live trading. So yeah, if you guys didn't see the video that I'd already posted using this exact strategy, you could check it out right here. Subscribe to the channel, like, comment, all that good stuff, and I will see you guys in the next one.